Welcome to COBA TV, I'm Emily Barker. Well, new research has found Australians want something done about the market dominance of Australia's big four banks. A poll of 1,000 people revealed Australians support more banking competition and see this year's financial system inquiry as a way to achieve that. Joining me to discuss these findings is Mark Degotardi from the Customer-Owned Banking Association. Mark, the Big Four have an unfair advantage. What is it and what can be done about it?
Well, currently the Big Four banks have a funding advantage based on an implicit government guarantee. That means they raise money on the wholesale markets more cheaply than they would ordinarily because those markets feel that the government is going to stand behind those Big Four banks. Now that actually means that the taxpayer is subsidising the operations of the four biggest banks in Australia. And we think that's just patently unfair. It's not a level playing field for smaller institutions. We're happy to take on the issues of scale. We will be small against large, that's no problem. But we can't do that if we have this government implicit guarantee providing this advantage to the biggest four banks. What we want the government and for the financial system inquiry to look at is how do you address that issue? How do you make sure that we can compete on a level playing field and bring better competition and choice to consumers?
Mark, the public want more competition. How is your sector working to provide this and what changes should come of the FSI to help achieve this?
Well, what the customer-owned banking sector wants is a level playing field. We're happy to be small institutions versus large institutions, but we don't want those largest banks to have an unfair advantage through government subsidies or government guarantees. So we want the FSI to address this. This is the central and most critical issue that we feel needs to be addressed, and we're hoping that we will see some action through the FSI.
Mark, just finally, why should people bank with a customer-owned bank and not the Big Four?
Look, our customer-owned banking institutions will give those customers the opportunity to get a better deal, whether it's on a home loan, credit card or personal loan. They also have been leading customer satisfaction because they put their customers first, ahead of shareholders. That means that they can give both a better deal and a better service at either the branch or online. What we would say to people is go out, find out some more information about what your choices are in the market, and you'll absolutely find you can get a better deal.
Thank you for your time today.
Thanks, Emily.